It has been more than 1 year now since I've been complaining to Maruti at Nexa at my service center, and the problem still continues. I have got the system updated today. It's having the latest software now, and I have put a 4 GB pen drive as suggested by Bosch for this Bosch system, and the handbrake is engaged, and the vehicle is in ignition, and here we play the music. This happens for both audio songs as well as video songs. Now we'll wait for some time. So now it says 18 seconds. We will shut this down. 21. So 21 seconds it's shut down. We will turn off the ignition. Just open and close the door. That is it. So the vehicle is totally off, but still you can see there is a light in the USB. There is no electrical connection uh, on right now. The vehicle is totally off, and yes, now the light is gone. So now we will turn on the vehicle. Again the ignition is on. We'll wait for some time and then run this music system. So we had shut it down at 120. Switch it on again. So we had shut it down at 20, sorry, and now it has gone to 1 minute. So we'll show again. We'll take another song. Okay, now at 11 seconds we have turned it off, and we'll turn off the ignition. Open and close the door. As you can see, that light remains for about 10 seconds. Even while connected to Android Auto, even after the vehicle is turned off, the phone still gets charged. Yes. Now we'll again turn on the ignition and wait. Wait for just 10 seconds. So it should continue from where we had stopped, but I'm definitely sure it will not. And I've tried multiple pen drives. It is not just one pen drive. It happens with every other pen drive I've been trying with. So yeah, now it is at 37 seconds. We had paused it at around 10 seconds. Yeah, so this is the issue that is happening. At times when I leave it for a longer time, another song starts from somewhere in between. So this is not only for video, this is also for audio songs, the same issue, which has been repeatedly happening, and the complaint has been repeatedly given, but no action is being taken. So this is for the people at Maruti and Bosch for their lethargic attitude and their carefree behavior towards customer care support.